Hi friends, welcome back to Breezy Breaks with Suri. So in this video we will be unboxing Agaro OTG Plus air fryer. So this comes with 1800 watts with 7 preset programs. Along with that there is a stainless steel and a bake roast and toast and also 360 heat as well. So this particular product purchased on Amazon websites. So I'll be updating the link on the description box so you can buy from the Amazon website itself. Guys, before we move on, I like to ask you a small favor. If you appreciate this video, please take a second to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So guys, it comes with 2 years warranty from Agaro, along with that manual book, and also there are a couple of components are included in the box, like frying basket, a pan handle, a wire rack, a bake tray, and a removable tray as well, and also a rotisserie fetch tool, a round cage, a basket, and also the fork and square set as well. So these are the couple of components I've included in the box. This is 7-in-1 appliances with 7 preset menu options. So along with three cooking functions as well and 4 temperature time control settings as well. So you can prepare a delicious dishes with minimal effort, and your favorable food will be ready. You can prepare muffins, french fries, fish fry, grilled chicken, cake, biscuits, popcorn, and many items you can prepare with this OTG Plus air fryer. So as I told you, the link will be on the description box. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So see you in next video. Take care.